Welcome to DaTo. Today we will do demonstration, how we can install and remove the tire, with DaTo TCH4200 Tyre Changing Machine. So let's start without wasting the time. This is DaTo TCH4200 Tyre Changing Machine. First I show you the control panel, so you can easily operate up or down and left or right. We can rotate according to our requirement. Clamping size from 14 inches to 42 inches. And also rotate clockwise and counterclockwise. Now I am removing the tire from the disc without harm the tire and disc. So you can see demounting, how easy with DaTo TCH4200. After that you can see, it is easy to do mounting the tire on the drum. Now, changing the heavy-duty tire. Maximum wheel diameter, 2300 millimeters. Maximum wheel width, 1050 millimeters. Maximum wheel weight, 1200 kilograms. From DaTo TCH4200, you can easily demount and mount the tire. If you want to know more, then you can contact us on www.datotech.de. Thanks for watching.